The harsh 1-to-3 shift flare in your 2022 Ford Explorer is a known factory issue, and the fix requires either a powertrain control module software update or a replacement of the internal CDF clutch cylinder. This problem plagues the 10-speed automatic transmission, causing drivers to experience delayed engagements, a violent clunk when accelerating into third gear, or erratic downshifts. Ford documented this behavior under Technical Service Bulletin 24-2254. The root of the symptom is an unexpected loss of hydraulic pressure inside the transmission that disrupts the smooth transition between gears. Diagnosing the issue begins with connecting a scan tool to check for transmission trouble codes. The initial repair procedure requires a technician to clear the adaptive shift tables and perform a transmission strategy download to reprogram the module. Afterward, the vehicle must complete a strict adaptive learning drive cycle to teach the transmission the new hydraulic shift parameters. For many vehicles, this software calibration smooths out the gear transitions completely. If the software relearn fails to correct the harsh shifting, the problem is mechanical. The failure points directly to the axial movement of the CDF clutch cylinder sleeve. Over time, this metal sleeve shifts out of its intended place, creating internal hydraulic circuit leaks that prevent the clutches from building enough pressure to engage smoothly. Correcting this mechanical failure requires removing and tearing down the transmission. The flawed CDF cylinder is replaced with a newly redesigned factory hub that prevents the sleeve from walking out of position. Installing this updated cylinder will permanently eliminate the harsh shift flare and restore seamless performance.